The 3M-22 Zircon or the SSN-33 is a maneuvering anti-ship hypersonic cruise missile developed in Russia. The Zircon's estimated range is 500 kilometers at a low level and up to 750 kilometers at a semi-ballistic trajectory, but the state-owned media in Russia reports the range as 1,000 kilometers. It's a two-stage missile that uses solid fuel in the first stage and a scramjet motor in the second stage. This missile will be incorporated into the Kirov-class battlecruiser Admiral Nakhimov this year and the Pyotr Veliky in 2022. Strategic implications. The Zircon missile is strategically valuable due primarily to its speed. In April 2017, it was reported that the Zircon had reached a speed of Mach 8 during a test. If that information is accurate, the Zircon missile would be the fastest in the world, making it nearly impossible to defend against due to its speed alone. Another valuable aspect of the missile is its plasma cloud. During flight, the missile is completely covered by a plasma cloud that absorbs any rays of radio frequencies and makes the missile invisible to radars. This allows the missile to remain undetected on its way to the target, anonymous sources suggested to CNBC in a December 2018 interview that the Zircon was being adapted to be a land attack missile as well as an anti-ship missile. What could a land attack Zircon look like? What payloads could it carry? And which targets in Europe could be at risk? On the surface, the ground attack Zircon is a very formidable weapon. It's not interceptable by any known means, it has plasma stealth to avoid detection, and it would be able to strike at very quick notice. But its original role as an anti-ship missile perhaps hampers its usefulness. Deploying them would be rather straightforward, as K-300 Bastion anti-ship launchers are said to be able to be modified to fire the Zircon. According to Russian sources, the Zircon is derived from the supersonic P-800 Onyx, though the drawings of the Zircon look significantly different from the P-800. The dimensions of the missiles are comparable, with the Zircon estimated to be between 8-10 meters long and the P-800 being 8.6 meters long in the surface-launched variant. Given that the missiles are approximately similar in dimensions, it's possible to estimate the warhead size of the Zircon based on the P-800. The P-800's battle compartment, which houses the warhead, is located in the nose of the missile and is relatively small, due to the constraints of the air intake and ramjet engine. Although the Zircon missile moves the air intake to the bottom of the missile, the nose is also far more slanted and sharp than the P-800, so the battle compartment is likely of the same size or smaller. Based on this, we can estimate the payload of the ground attack Zircon. The P-800 has a payload of either a 200 kg high explosive or 250 kg semi-armor piercing warhead. It's probably safe to assume the Zircon has a warhead of 200 kg or less given the shape of the missile and comparative weights. This makes it less than ideal for the ground attack role. To compare, the Iskander-M ballistic missile has a payload of around 700 kg, and the Kalibr cruise missile has a payload of 450 kg. While the Zircon is not interceptable by any known means, it is unlikely to be able to take out more hardened NATO installations due to its small warhead. The seeker and guidance package of the Zircon is also practically unknown. While it uses radar homing of some variety, the accuracy of the missile is unknown. Land attack missiles tend to use a variety of imaging technologies and satellite navigation technologies that may have trouble working at hypersonic speeds, so the ground attack Zircon may not be very accurate. Finally, while the 300-400 km range might be considered sufficient for anti-ship duty, it leaves a lot to be desired from the ground attack role. Ground attack Zircons stationed in Kaliningrad can reach most targets in Poland, but not further. With the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty off the table, ground attack Zircons might find themselves significantly outranged by other missile systems. While ground attack Zircons are not weapons to be scoffed at, their questionable accuracy and limited payload and range means they are not as worrisome as the stated capabilities of the other big hypersonic weapons, Kinzel and Vanguard. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos.